Today, I bring a very special message from the guardian angels. I feel that God is communicating with you at this very moment, and I want you to pay close attention because He is sending subtle signs revealing the presence of someone very important in your life. This person is seeking your final approval for love. This man, whom you know well, is silently crying, nurturing a sincere love for you. He has a deep feeling flowing directly from his heart, something so pure and true that it is impossible to ignore. With great courage, he confessed this love to you, anxiously awaiting your response. And I want you to know that God is guiding you at this moment, because He knows that you also feel something special for this man. You may not have fully realized it yet, but there is a unique connection between you two, something beyond common understanding. This discovery you are about to make will be a surprising revelation, capable of transforming your life in an extraordinary way. Imagine finding the perfect person, where every piece of the life puzzle fits with absolute precision. It is as if fate, with all its divine wisdom, has intertwined your paths for a unique and special reason. This man, with an open heart full of hope, is waiting for your final approval in love. He has shown vulnerability, exposing the deepest feelings of his soul, something that requires immense courage. God is whispering in your ear right now, indicating what the right choice is for you. He is guiding you to accept the love this man is offering with open arms. Remember, true love doesn't always follow an easy path. Often, it requires us to face challenges and overcome obstacles, but this only makes the bond stronger. When you find someone who truly fits into your life, everything flows harmoniously. The small things in everyday life fit perfectly, and you realize that you have finally found that partner who makes everything seem lighter and more enjoyable. Yes, challenges will arise and obstacles will need to be overcome, but with this man's unwavering support by your side, you can face anything life throws at you. He will be your rock, your solid foundation, providing the security and confidence needed to face any adversity. When you overcome these difficulties together, the love you share will grow stronger, more intense than ever. With each challenge conquered, the connection between you will become deeper, more meaningful. If this man makes your heart beat with a unique melody, and you feel you can conquer the world with him by your side, don't hesitate. Accept the love he offers authentically and cherish every moment, because these moments are the bricks that build a lasting and meaningful relationship. The connection between you will be so deep as if you have known each other forever. There will be a mutual understanding that transcends words, an understanding that goes beyond the superficial. You will understand each other on a level that no one else can comprehend. This bond, this affinity, is a true gift, a rare and precious treasure. In a world where relationships are often superficial and ephemeral, finding someone with whom you can share such an intense connection is truly special. When we find something so special, we must hold on to it firmly, because it is the foundation of a solid and healthy relationship. This man will make you better, bringing out the best in you. He will see qualities in you that you might not even know you possess and help you cultivate and develop them. He will be your inspiration to become the best version of yourself, supporting your goals and dreams. Every achievement of yours will be a celebration for him, and he will be there to encourage you every step of the way. He will push you to grow, learn, and constantly evolve, always by your side, offering unconditional support. You will be partners not only in love, but also in life, sharing ambitions and building a future together. His presence will be a catalyst for your personal development, and you will feel motivated to always seek the best. Moreover, the happiness you will experience together will not only be a reflection of happy moments, but a continuous state of joy and contentment. Every smile, every shared laugh will be a testament to the true and profound love you possess. And even on the most difficult days, the certainty that you have someone by your side who truly cares and is willing to face any storm with you will make all the difference. This certainty will be the foundation of a life filled with unforgettable and meaningful moments. Over time, you will create an arsenal of memories that will further strengthen the bond between you. From small daily victories to great achievements, every shared experience will be a cornerstone in building a solid and lasting love. The emotional intimacy you will develop will be unparalleled, and you will find comfort and joy simply by being in each other's presence. With him by your side, you will have someone who will love you unconditionally and believe in your potential. This confidence and motivation will be powerful forces to achieve everything you desire in life. From small dreams to great ambitions, he will be there to encourage you and remind you of how capable you are. You share the same values and goals, aspire to the same achievements, and are ready to walk the path of your dreams together. The harmony between you goes beyond physical attraction or simply enjoying being together. It is a deep connection based on common principles and goals that form the foundation of a solid and lasting relationship. This shared vision creates an indissoluble bond between you, providing the motivation and support needed to achieve your goals and overcome all adversities that will come your way. This person will accept you completely, with all your imperfections and flaws. He will see qualities in you that you may not recognize and help you appreciate them. He will not try to turn you into someone you are not. On the contrary, he will love you unconditionally, bringing authentic joy to your life. This unconditional acceptance is something rare and precious. Knowing that you can be exactly who you are, without needing to change anything, and still be deeply loved, is one of the greatest gifts you can receive. You will feel like you are living the best version of yourself and have a partner who supports you unconditionally, regardless of the situation. The feeling of being loved so completely and truly will bring genuine happiness that will influence all aspects of your life. This kind of happiness is a precious and rare treasure. When you find it, you must cherish it. He will be your anchor in times of difficulty, offering stability and comfort when you need it most. This will give you strength and resilience to face all the challenges that come your way. You will feel loved and appreciated, and this will have a profound impact on your life. You will feel truly seen, heard, and valued, which will become a constant source of strength and comfort in the most difficult moments. This man will see the best in you and always be by your side, supporting you in all your battles. He will make you feel safe and protected, someone you can trust unconditionally. With patience, kindness, and understanding, he will show his appreciation and always recognize your efforts and achievements. With each gesture, each word of encouragement, he will reinforce how important you are and how much he values who you are. You will feel fully seen and validated, experiencing love and appreciation, which will elevate your self-esteem and confidence. This kind of unconditional support and continuous recognition will provide you with a solid foundation upon which you can build your dreams and goals with even more determination and courage. Celebrate this feeling, allowing yourself to face life's challenges with even more resilience. The security of having someone who believes in you so unwaveringly will give you the strength to overcome any obstacle. You will never feel alone again, as gratitude and a profound sense of fulfillment and meaning will fill your life. Knowing that there is someone by your side who is always ready to support you, comfort you, and help you grow is an invaluable gift. God's message is clear. This type of acceptance and love is rare, and when found, it should be cherished. It's not every day that we find someone who understands us so deeply and loves us exactly as we are. This will fill your soul with deep love and offer an incredible life experience. Be open to receiving this extraordinary blessing in your life and be ready to receive more divine grace. Affirm, I am ready to receive today, as a sign of your willingness to welcome this extraordinary blessing into your life. Open yourself to the divine love that is within your reach and let this special connection illuminate your path. Allow this love to envelop you, protect you, and guide you in all your decisions and actions. You deserve this love and the happiness it brings. Prepare yourself for an exciting journey, full of love, growth, and accomplishments alongside this special man. Every step you take together will be a new opportunity for growth and learning, both individually and as a couple. Remember, you are never alone. The angels are by your side, guiding and protecting you with their unconditional love. Let their wings enfold you and move forward with confidence, knowing that you are loved and supported by the divine. This certainty will give you the necessary courage to face any challenge and will allow you to live a full and fulfilled life. Until our next meeting, may the light of the angels continue to illuminate your path, and may you find peace, love, and joy in every step of your journey. May you be abundantly blessed. Amen.